Hello there, welcome to our house, come on in. Oh, let's peep the sign, super adorable. Okay, come on in. I know you all never got like a townhouse tour. I'm gonna make up for it now. You're gonna get an empty house tour so you can see the layout, and then you will get a full house tour once everything is done. But this is our little entryway. It's very basic, so just envision we're gonna have like an entryway table and a mirror here, and then we'll come forward this way. I love all of the light in this room. I love like the windows here. So keep coming. This is my favorite area. So this is like the living room and kitchen. So a couple of things that I love about the living room. First of all, the corner fireplace. Okay, let's come on over. We do have some built-in speakers, which is really nice. And this is where our TV is going to go. Billy has already been looking at TVs online. You all can't see the look he's giving me right now, but just, you know, imagine it. So we have a gas fireplace, and this area, oh, we already have a pet. Look, it's a cricket. It's alive. Anyway, so this is where our couch is gonna go. We want to get like an L-shaped couch to kind of wrap around this whole area. But again, I love the big windows, and I love the fan. Can you show them the fan? It is just so on brand and perfect, and I love it. So I want to put that same fan in like the other rooms. And then we'll probably have like a chair over here. We'll have a rug and a table. I've already decided where our Christmas tree, we have already decided, but mostly me, where our Christmas tree is gonna go. So you can envision that like right here by the fireplace. And I'm super excited to be able to have like our stockings hanging on the fireplace. I'm just so happy. Okay, come this way. So I love that it connects right into the kitchen area. Now we are going to be replacing this tile because it's just not our cup of tea. I don't really like square tile, I like rectangular tile. And this has like a weird pink kind of tint to it. So this is going to get replaced. Y'all will have to stay tuned to figure out what exactly we put there. But before we go into the kitchen, let's actually pop outside real quick. So we have a nice little deck area, and I love the lamp that's here. And this is gonna be really Billy's space to kind of like take control of and be able to design. We're gonna have the grill, and we're gonna have like I don't know, a pergola or something to kind of cover the area, table and chairs, all that good stuff. All right, let's go back inside. The rest of the yard's kind of a hot mess. It will be improved, it's fine. All right, so now that we are back in the kitchen, this is where our table and chairs is going to go. We're downsizing because we had a table that sat 6, and I don't think we ever had anyone besides us sit there, so we're gonna downsize to just like a table for 4. Let's start with this little part of the kitchen because I'm so excited. This is going to be our little coffee nook, okay? So coffee maker, coffee and stuff will go here. We're also gonna store all of our mugs. And by our mugs, I really mean my mugs, because I have a lot of Ray Dunn mugs. And then protein powder and pre-workout and all that will kind of go in this area as well. But I just love that we have kind of the separate counter. And again, love the big window in this area. Do you want to tell them about this, or do you want me to do it?
I'd rather not. I just ask that you tell the truth.
Okay, so yesterday we closed on our house. We got notification that we were fully funded, we were good to go. The house was officially ours. So we come over here. We were here no longer than 1 hour, and Billy was already breaking stuff. So this is, you know, one of those fake drawers. It's not a real drawer, and he pulled on it and it broke off. He claims he didn't pull very hard.
This kid don't know his own strength.
Maybe he's just been hitting the gym too much. I don't know, but we already will have our first project to work on when we come in. But anyway, let's show them the countertops. I love the countertops because it's like white and there's like the little specks of gray in it. Love that. I love how just white the kitchen is in general. So like the cabinets are white, the backsplash is white. And then the countertop is white. I love it. So we have like a new dishwasher that had been put in and a new stove and microwave. We do not, however, have a refrigerator. So that is on our list. That would be one of the first things we purchase. We measured this space once, but a lot of the fridges we are finding are like just a little bit too tall, so we need to remeasure it and make sure that it will be the right height. But otherwise, I'm in love with the kitchen, and I think once we get the tile changed out, chef's kiss, it will be perfect. The pantry. You all know I love organizing, and I have been looking at bins and containers for our pantry for several weeks now, because our current pantry at our townhouse is literally, what, that wide, would you say? Like, I don't even know if I could stand in it. Like, it's that small, and this pantry is amazing. But first, there's a cat door. There is a functioning cat door. Maybe it's supposed to be for dogs. I think it's just pets in general. Will our cats actually use it? Probably not, but I'm hopeful. I'm going to bribe them with treats and hopefully it will all work out. So this is our pantry. I am so excited about this pantry. I love that the shelves are like actually built-in shelves. They're not like wire shelves, because a lot of times it can be hard to kind of store things on there. They like fall through the slits. So I am in love with these. There's so many shelves. What we're gonna do with this space, I don't even know, because literally our pantry right now is what, like this? So we have like, I don't know, 10 times the amount of space. This is also where we'll keep like the cat's food and all of that. And then pivot around, we have to get a washing machine and dryer. I always, ever since I was little, I would always mistakenly say like dishwasher or washing machine for whatever reason. But I like that there are cabinets up here, so we've got plenty of storage. And if I wanted to, I could like legitimately sleep in here. And I've always wanted a pantry I could sleep in. All right, let's back out. Let's go down this way. So the stairs, Billy had to duck here. Let me show him. So this lamp, it's kind of on the low side, and we figured out that Billy cannot walk underneath. Obviously, once there's a table here, it won't really matter, but, oh, I didn't show him our little welcome basket. Okay, so our real estate agent has been absolutely amazing. If you are looking for a house in the Austin area, her name is Brittany Ford, and she works with Realty Austin. This is not sponsored in any way. We have no affiliation with her. We just had an amazing experience, but she brought us this little gift basket, and it's so adorable. There are some things missing. There were these cookies that were absolutely phenomenal, and they've already been eaten, but I love this little cutting board. It says the Emersons, welcome to Texas, y'all, 2021, and it says Austin. It has a skyline. She even had little cat toys, black and white, perfect, on brand. And then Summer Moon Coffee, which is actually the coffee shop where we first met her at and connected with her. And there also was a card, but that's in the car right now. So super cute. I'm just so grateful that we had such a great experience, because moving across the country is like nerve-wracking, and it worked out really well. All right, I'm gonna give it back to Billy, and we're gonna come back down this way. As I had started to say, the stairs are like the main part, and it loops around the stairs. So in this hallway, there is just a basic, like, is this called a powder room? Powder room. So it's like the little half bath. So toilet, I mean, there's not a whole lot to see in here. This sink is gonna get replaced, because I'm not a huge fan, unless you like it.
Oh no, I hate it.
Yeah, no. So that's gonna get replaced. But that's what we really love about this house, is it's move-in ready. Like, we don't have to make any of these changes right away. We're good. But if we want to kind of customize things, we can. And I really like that, because we're gonna get to make it our own. Okay, coming forward again. This is what I've been calling the storage room. And it wasn't until yesterday that I realized it's technically like the hall closet, but I've just been referring to it as a storage room. So how about you come through here? All right. So it's a great size space. Now this is also where we will go if there is like a tornado or something. We will have to be in here, but what I really love about this space is Billy realized there's a connection for like, what is it? Cable?
Wow, you were paying attention.
I'm sorry. And there's also plugs, so I think this is where we're gonna keep like our router and stuff like that. So it's kind of out of view, because right now it's all smushed behind our TV. But I love this little storage space. And then the final section here is the garage, which it's literally just a garage, but I guess I can show you all. Yep. It's a garage. So these are all the screens and things that were left by the previous owner. We're not really gonna use any of those. And then blinds, and also there's an air conditioner, which is nice. Don't know if we'll ever actually use it. But I plan on parking in the garage, and then Billy will use the other half for like his storage and a tool.
And a ping pong table.
Oh yeah, Billy wants a ping pong table. Which I'm not opposed to a ping pong table. I don't
It'll go up against the wall,
okay.
No worries.
All right, well, let's head back in. So then the final room, this connects us back to that kind of entryway. This is meant to be a dining room. We, however, don't really have a need for a dining room, so we're gonna use this as a different space. I'm not gonna tell you all what it is yet, but I have a plan, and I'm gonna put something in this room that I've always wanted since I was a little kid, and I'm excited about it. But now we can connect back to the stairs, and we can go upstairs. Billy was just saying how he can see the cats like running up here because they love to do sprints up the stairs. So the downstairs is all like a laminate flooring and tile, and then the stairs and all the upstairs is all carpet. So let's head upstairs. Okay, so this is like an old doorbell that, you know, it gives it character. I think we will end up taking it down or at least painting it or something, but it's cute. Then we have this loft space, which actually is a huge space. We still haven't figured out exactly what all is going to go in here. We know like Billy's office area, and then probably like a TV, and we have a small couch will go in here, but it's a huge space. Lots of light from the front, which is really, really nice. And there's also some of the speaker hookups in here. I showed you the speakers downstairs. There also were some on the wall downstairs, so the fireplace, and also where the TV will go, and there's some in our bathroom, which I will show you when we get there. But let's come in this little section. So this is going to be a spare bedroom. We're gonna have a bed, spare bedroom. We're gonna have like probably a little dresser and TV, and pretty basic. I love this window. I know it's stupid because it's just these on it, but I love the style of that window. I think we're gonna replace this fan because I'm not a fan of the fan.
Nobody saw that coming.
I've been holding that one in for a while, but I want it to match the one that's down in the living room. So then we come to the linen closet, which has the same shelves that are down in like the pantry. So again, I love that it's not like the wire shelves. And we have a bathroom up here, a full bath. So this would be perfect for guests, which we never really have guests, but we want to have guests, so we need a place for them to, you know, bathe. Same countertop that is down in the kitchen, which I really like, and then just, you know, a basic shower. And this room is going to become my office / YouTube studio. I'm going to have custom like cabinetry and like a desk put in kind of over here in the corner. And I'll keep all my filming equipment and stuff in the closet. But I have visions for this room, which also include changing out that fan, because once again, not a fan. But it's fine, because that's all like little things that we can customize and, you know, make it our own. Finally, we have our master bedroom.
This is where the magic happens.
Actually, first, I love this little shelf here. I don't even know what we're gonna put here, but I love the, you know, possibilities that I feel like are there. So we have little French doors, which we're really excited about. Probably more excited than we should be. But it just makes it feel like an official like master bedroom. You know what I mean? So welcome to our master bedroom. Once again, love the windows, love the natural light, because our townhouse barely had any of that. If you can envision our bed kind of coming off of this wall, and we will probably have a chair over in this corner because the cats will love to stay there. And we will have a dresser here. Billy really wants to mount the TV. If you have ever mounted a TV and you have tips for us, we would love to hear them, because we have never done it before, but Billy really wants to mount the TV. So then we have this little closet, and I say little, I mean it's a good sized closet, but we have a second closet. what? We're gonna have 2 closets. So this is going to be for like jackets and dresses and things that we don't use as often. And then we also have the shelves for like extra storage of stuff, which I'm so excited because that means I get to organize it. And then we come into the master bath. I've never had like a soak-in tub before, and I'm so excited that we're gonna have a soak-in tub. And we have just like a basic shower. We've got to figure out how to raise the shower head because it's kind of down low, but we're pretty sure you can just get like an attachment and it'll raise it up. Once again, we have the same countertops that are down in the kitchen, and we have double sinks, which again, we've never had before. I still feel like I don't really need a separate sink from Billy, but I'll take an extra sink. And then we have the toilet. I mean, there's nothing too exciting in there, but there is more cabinetry up above, which I love. And then we have the big closet, which I've never had a closet this big. It's massive. It's probably what, double the size of our closet now. And we have that other one. I'm sorry, but that is amazing. So lots of shelves, lots of, you know, racks, which I love. I love having like the double racks because I've never had that. I've only ever had like one rack. And then I love these built-in shelves, and I feel like that's gonna be perfect for like shoe storage. So I'm in love with this closet. I think it's amazing. Yes, Billy and I are going to share the closet. I'm not taking the whole thing, I promise, despite what he might try to tell you. All right, so let's head back downstairs. So I do love, as you come downstairs, again, like the 2 huge windows, how we're ever gonna clean that top window. Haven't figured that out yet. We probably just won't, but I love that it looks like right up there and it's super bright. So let's finish coming down. And that is it. That is our empty house tour. Like I said, once we get it furnished, which will probably take a little while, but I will do a full house tour so you all can see like how it all came together and any of the little projects that we did. We are now becoming those people that watch like HGTV on the weekends. And I'm kind of okay with that. I feel like this is just a new step in our lives, and so we're kind of growing as adults. We got Costco memberships, which we've never had before. We've never had Costco memberships, so it's just exciting, and I hope you all could sense the excitement. Billy and I went to dinner last night, and I told him I feel like this is like kind of the happiest I've ever been. I know that sounds bad because you're like, shouldn't your wedding day be like your happiest day? But as I explained to Billy, I feel like us getting married, like not that much actually changed, right? Like it's a legal thing, but not that much actually changes. But getting a house and like moving to a new area is a big change. So we are super excited. We hope you all are just as excited as we are. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the full house tour when it's fully furnished. As always, thank you for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to put your positive pants on, and I will catch you in the next one.